Hello everyone, welcome back to DCC Sodor for another video. Today's going to be a little bit of a quick one. I'm going to be going over this model of Flying Scotsman. You've probably seen me or heard this model before. I've talked about it before on my channel. This is a Hornby National Model Railway Museum, National Model Railway Museum edition. I believe it's actually a special edition, but I am unsure. But anyways, this originally had a Hornby just straight DCC decoder in it. I purchased a Hornby TTS sound decoder for it a couple years ago when I first got it. Wasn't too happy with it. And recently I had a Loksound 5 decoder just kind of hanging around that I went, oh, I haven't done anything with this yet. Let's change that. So there's an 8-pin socket in the tender. So I unplugged the original TTS decoder and plugged in the new Loksound version 5 decoder. So let's hear some of its sounds. Select Loco 4472 on my controller. No headlight. Let's hit function 1. Volume's a little quiet right now, but I can adjust that. Let's hear some of its other functions. We're going to do function 3. Sounds like a water fill. Okay. Sounds pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way this easily went together in this sound file. And as we get Flying Scotsman running, we'll talk a little bit more about the sound file. So let's get Scotsman running. So because of the 3-cylinder nature of this locomotive, the chuffs do adjust pretty quickly. And we'll have to change the switch here. Forgot to do that. It's got 6 chuffs per revolution instead of the typical 4. But anyways, let's talk about the sound file. So Scotsman's sound file is off of the ESU website. There have been a lot of new British sound files loaded on in the past couple months here. So I've been pretty excited about that. Lots more diesel variety to use with some of my diesel locomotives. And plenty of steam variety for those of you that have a lot of steam locomotives. Of course, with my sound files, I tend to do fully custom sound files. But in any case, I'm very happy with the way that this install went. So if you go to ESU's website, and I'll show some screen captures of me being on their website, I'll show you that I got the double chimney A3. I don't know if there's a single chimney at this point. I don't remember that off the top of my head. But it's good, pretty easy, and then you just kind of load it on, and Scotsman, like I said, Scotsman sounds pretty good. So let's get some clips of Scotsman running around the layout. Whoa. Alright, let's back her up. Him or her. Whoops, I just kicked the camera. Alright. So that is the Flying Scotsman with DCC and sound. Just, you know, like I said, just a quick video this week. Next week, I'm hoping to get more into back to some, you know, usual content of a DCC install. We'll see. Depends on when the DCC decoder arrives. But in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as always. This was a little bit more of a return to format for me because I know the last few videos of mine I've been trying to write scripts to make them flow a little bit better. This one was kind of off the cuff and just kind of pointing and shooting. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions about what I did, I'll try to answer them as best I can. If you don't have any questions and you like to try this yourself, you know, just go to ESU's website and look for the downloads page and follow kind of my short quick guide that I did. So again, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, comment your thoughts as I said, and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.